Today, Cacao Media is known as one of the top HubSpot agencies in Israel. And everyone has the question, Risa, how do you guys know so much about HubSpot? Well, really, it's just two things. First of all of our team members have no less than 10 certificates from the HubSpot Academy. But secondly, and most importantly, is that we take the time to understand a business processes and their goals. We know that no two businesses are alike, so we never bring a cookie cutter approach to that business's HubSpot setup. This summer, we would like to impart some of this knowledge to you. So we are hosting a HubSpot summer camp where we will be teaching you not just the how in HubSpot, but the why. Why do you do what you do in HubSpot? Because we understand once you appreciate the why, then it's easier for you to implement the different strategies you wish to see. So this summer, for 6 weeks, starting Tuesday, July the 14th, we will hold weekly 90-minute sessions with you where we teach you how to unfold your business processes, how to set up various tools in HubSpot to achieve those KPIs, and also bring to you real-life case studies of how other businesses from similar industries or various industries have implemented successfully these strategies and achieved their goals. So do join us by clicking on the link below, and we hope to see you this summer where you will learn how to use HubSpot more efficiently.